So for this job, just gonna need some basic hand tools. I have a medium-sized ratchet and a large-sized ratchet, a 9/16, a 15 millimeter, and a 10 millimeter, as well as a hammer. And then the pickle fork is just to remove the alternator. So the alternator is located here on the passenger side. To remove it, we'll need to take out these bolts here. So there's one on this side and then another one right here. And then here's the tensioner pulley that will be used to remove this fan belt. First thing we want to do is just disconnect the battery. So here's the negative terminal right here. And then it's a 10 millimeter to remove it. And there we go. Just put that off to the side. Now I'm going to use this 15 millimeter on the tensioner pulley. Now I'm just going to pull on that to remove tension to pull this off. And as you can see, just hold it down, and then I can use both hands to slip the belt off. Next, we'll need to disconnect the alternator. So there's a plug right here. So that just comes off, pretty easy. Now underneath here, there's another nut that we'll need to remove. So using a 9/16, we'll be able to break this nut free and be able to take it off. Now it should just spin off. With that off, we can disconnect it now. Next, there's another bolt up here holding a metal bracket in. So using a 9/16 and an extension to be able to get in here. Now I can just spin this off with my fingers. Now using the large ratchet, we're able to break these free. And there's the first long bolt out. Now I just got to do the same thing on the other side. And out comes the second bolt. Now we can remove the alternator. So I'm using this pickle fork, but you can use any kind of pry tool to pry this out. Now I just got to pull this out and maneuver it through all these cords. So here's the old alternator. So I'm going to go to AutoZone and trade it out for a new one. And here's the new alternator. So you can see much nicer. Now I'm just going to put it back in the same way I took it out. And there we go, all lined up. Now I'm just going to use the pickle fork and a hammer to set it into place. And there we go, got it all lined up. So now we can put the bolt back in. Now just going to move this around just so it's lined up perfectly. Now the top's lined up, going to line up the bottom for the bottom bolt. Now just got to ratchet them all down. Now I'm going to use the large ratchet to torque these guys down. Now just got to reconnect everything for the alternator. So there's a plug up here that will reconnect. Reattach this and put the nut over the top of it. And then torque that guy down. Reattach this plate and torque it down. Last thing we need to do is just put the fan belt back on. So using the tensioner, and we got that guy back on. There we go. And as you can see, got the new alternator in. So put that bolt back in, put that wire back on with the nut on it, plugged that back in, and then plugged in the side as well as put in the new bolts and put the fan belt back on. Now just going to reconnect the battery here. So was able to start the car and drive it. So really easy fix that I think anybody can really do with some basic hand tools. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, guys.